at the biceps. Listen, if you're new here, this is your first time seeing the face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button up, your girl. I had to take this shirt off because look, my pits was sweaty and it was looking super tacky. I'm just gonna say. But yeah, so listen, we're here at Walmart. Listen, y'all, look. I need 15 offers for $5. The deals are super dry. Probably not gonna happen. The larger bonus, you know what? Why are we talking about bonuses that we know that we're not gonna hit? Like, I don't see me hitting the big bonus, and I don't see me hitting my midweek. So you know what? We're not even gonna talk about that. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do what works. All right, we're gonna do the deals that we want to do, and we're gonna keep it moving. We did get some new offers, our new surveys on Flavor Wiki. Now it's for granola and yogurt. So when they ask you that question, which of these items have you consumed in the last 6 months? I'm a greedy person, so I choose them all. Check, 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 check. Right? It's for granola and it's for yogurt. So if you don't choose granola or yogurt, you're probably not gonna get it. Because I heard a lot of people got rejected, a lot of people got waitlisted. It popped up a few days ago, and then it popped up again today. So I have it. Well, Joseph has it twice on his account. I did it already on my account. I'm gonna do it again today because it's a great deal. Whether you do it at Walmart or Target or wherever you're grabbing it at. I did it at Walmart. It was like a $9 moneymaker. Target is like a $8 moneymaker. Either way it goes, it's still a moneymaker. I love flipping granola, and it's protein too, so I'm sold. But I'm happy they stopped throwing in them curveballs where they was like putting in like glue sticks. Be like, which of these items have you eaten in the last 6 months? And it would be like freaking oatmeal, yogurt, canned products, glue sticks. My ass was like, glue sticks. I was like, wood chips. Yeah, I'm happy they stopped doing that because they was tripping a lot of people. I know they was tripping me up. I was like, I didn't see glue sticks. But anyways, y'all, so listen. We're going to head into Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got to do, keep on watching.
Guys, so this first deal is on the Jimmy Dean. It's on the croissants, sausage, egg, and cheese. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $13.64. You'll get back 5 on Swagbucks for buying 2. There's also $1.25 for each on checkout 51. Makes them $3.07. You can always grab the Jimmy Dean, the biscuits, the 2 count. The offer for that did go up for me on Easy Bucks to $6. So for this, you're grabbing 2 at $5.22. You end up paying $10.44. Get back 6 on Easy Bucks, and then we'll get back a total of $2.50 on checkout 51. Brings these down to only 97 cents, which is definitely not a bad deal. Is it me? Are these clear pencil cases super darn cute? These need to go on clearance because I would so grab one of these. Get all my little coupons, a little bit of coupons I'd be having in it. This is super cute though. Is it just me? I love this. Not for $3.97 though. Ooh, and they have it in black too. Just even better. Super cute. So next up is a Jimmy Dean fully cooked sausage patties. Are links. They are priced at $5.47. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $10.94, getting back 4 on Swagbucks for buying 2. There's also a total of $2.50 on checkout 51, bringing these down to $2.22 per pack. So next up is the Barilla protein. It is priced at $2.38. For this, you want to grab a total of 4 of them. You'll end up paying $9.52. You'll get back 25 cents for 2 of them on Fetch Reward. I also have $1 back when you spend 8. And then we'll also get back $1.25 for each of them on Merryfield. Brings them down to only 75 cents each. Ollie. So this deal here is on the OliPop. It is priced at $2.38. We have an OTC offer, making it absolutely free. We also have an offer on Ibotta for 25 cents, so it makes it a 25-cent moneymaker. Right, so the next thing that we're going to be grabbing is the granola for Flavor Wiki. Again, for this, you have to buy 2 different ones on the same trip. And so, yeah. So the first thing is the Kodiak. It's the honey oat granola. It's the 11 ounce. It's priced at $5.52. We're also going to be grabbing the Nature Valley protein oats and honey as well. It's the 11 ounce. It's priced at $4.68. We're also going to grab it with 2 of the Chobani Greek yogurt vanilla flavor. And for this, you have to grab 2 of them. Total is going to come to $13.04. You're getting back $8 for each of the granolas. And then for the Chobani, we're getting back $3 for each. So it's a total of $22 back. Again, you have to buy all of these products in order to get paid for this. And you have to buy these exact sizes as well. And so it makes this an $8.96 moneymaker. I still have an offer for the A&D Treat and Heal Cream for $5.74. Getting back $2.74 on Ibotta, and then I also have $1.75 back when you spend. I want to say it was spend $9, but I was tracking for a previous purchase, so I would get that back, making it $1.25. Oh, sorry. Aren't those dresses so stinking cute? Especially this one. These are so freaking cute. I absolutely love them. Okay, Walmart, I see you, even though I don't have a girl. They have some clearance. If you have little ones, oh my God, aren't they so stinking cute? $4. These are so stinking cute. This particular brand, Modern Moments. I see some down here for 50 cents as well. Look, some over there too on the other side. For 50 cents, I'm telling y'all, this is what you do. You buy this stuff in bigger sizes, and you just, for the next summer, shop seasons and seasons before. So that way, when the season comes upon you, you're not breaking the bank. God, these are so stinking cute. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh. For $4. So yeah, check your stores. So cute. So cute. So cute. Ooh, they even have more over here. So stinking cute. Let me go. All right, next up is the Glade. I was hoping to find some Glade 2 counts on clearance, but I don't see any. So for this, look, they have some new scents. This one right here is new. I haven't seen this one before. So 2 count is priced at $5.98. Grabbing one of them, getting back 2 on checkout 51 and 2 on Easy Bucks makes that only $1.98 or 70 cents? 97 I said 70 cents. 97 cents per refill, which is definitely not a bad deal. I was hoping to find some on clearance. Right, so next up is the Clorox Scentiva. It's on the lavender scent, lavender and jasmine scent. Now, I did mention this a couple hauls back. The offer on the sister apps, it has gone up. So for this, you're grabbing 2 of them, priced at $5.72. You'll pay $11.44, getting back 6 on Easy Bucks, bringing it down to $2.72 per bottle, which is not a bad deal. Now, we also have an offer for the wipes as well. They are priced at $5.78. 2 of them is going to cost you $11.56. Getting back 5 on Easy Bucks makes them $3.28. We also have the disinfectant spray, priced at $5.12. You're grabbing 2 of them. You'll end up paying $9.76, getting back 5 on Easy Bucks, makes them $2.30 each. Right, and then last but not least is the toilet bowl cleaner. It is priced at $2.68. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $5.36, getting back $2.50 on Easy Bucks. Brings these down to $1.43 each. Honestly, y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab 4 of these. This is something that we don't have in our stockpile right now. And I'd rather get it for $1.43 than be trying to come here and get the generic brand. Where is it? For more. And so definitely is not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is on the Brita filter pitchers. Well, you could either grab the pitchers, or you could grab the filters, or you could grab the cups or the bottles down there rather. I was looking for the red one, to be honest. I saw it online. It's priced at $16.68, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 4 on checkout 51, and 4 on Easy Bucks. It brings it down to $6.68. I wanted to try this deal to see if it was gonna work, but I low-key don't want to pay $6.68 for it, to be honest. I'm not even doing front. Now for this, you could also grab the 3 count of the filters, which are also priced at $16.68. So after rebates, it would make that $6.68. And I think for the elite one, you can get the 1 count, but it's $20.52. So yeah, if that's something you want to get, grab that. And then the water bottles down here are priced at $6.16. I'm getting back 2 on Ibotta, 4 on Checkout 51, and 4 on EasyBucks to make that $6.16. All right, so I do have an offer on Ibotta for 15 cents on pencils, and the pen gear 12 count is priced at 49 cents. Getting back 15 cents on Ibotta will make this only 34 cents. All right, so listen, I've done this deal for the rebate, spend 25, get back 10. It's a limit of 2. I have already done it twice. A few of you guys were asking how long did it take. It only took me 4 days for mine to get paid back for that offer. And so if you just want to grab 2 of these, they are priced at $4.28 for the minis. And so grabbing 2 of them, you'll end up paying $8.56. You'll get back $6 on EasyBucks, and then we'll get back $1.20 for each on Checkout 51. Brings them down to only 8 cents each, which is definitely not a bad deal. All right, y'all, look, we have Maybelline offers on Ibotta. I was at a different store yesterday, and I did find some eye products, and I found foundations. So I'm hoping that it resets. I found some of these right here. They were on clearance. That gold one was, the black one was, that green one was, the pink one was on clearance for $2. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. I did Walmart rewards as well, making them both free. They had the foundation as well for $1, kind of like these up here, maybe, for $1. And I grabbed 1, getting back 2 on Ibotta, so I made it $1 moneymaker. And again, I did 1 set for Ibotta and 1 set for Walmart rewards. Right, last but not least, the Colgate. I did find the Colgate Optic White Pro Series. This one right here, it's normally priced at $7.96. I did find it at the other store on clearance for $5.97. Getting back 5 on Ibotta. I also did this for Walmart rewards as well, making them only 97 cents each. All right, so look, I found these over here. The Glade 2 count for $4.50, the Aqua Waves, and the Mango one. I think I'm gonna try grabbing this for Checkout 51 and one of the sister apps and see if it works. I'll let you guys know, but if it does work, it'll make them only 50 cents each. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 1 for my account, 1 for Joseph's account, and then we'll probably do EasyBucks, whichever one I'm close to cashing out on the sister apps. And so, yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really good considering we didn't hit no bonus. We didn't hit it, we didn't see it, we didn't look at it. We wasn't even trying. I think I only did like 3 or 4 offers. Please excuse your side in the background. Y'all hear him clicking, clicking, clicking. My little human being, my little creation. But this worked out pretty good. I'm excited about it. Even though it's not super big, we still made some money, which is awesome. So OliPop OTC worked perfectly fine. The one for Starry didn't. I think I got my coupons mixed up, and I think it was one that I already used. So we had her void that off. Now, she was saying that they're starting to require us to print those OTC coupons because they figured out a way to fraudulently duplicate them. And I'm just like, okay, well, what difference does it make if you print it? It's still fraudulent. If the digital one is scanning, pretty sure that fraudulent one is going to scan too. And so I was just like, okay. I only think about that is that sometimes they don't scan, and I hate to waste ink and paper if it's not going to scan. Advil wanted to do 4 of those, but I only had 1 more time for EasyBucks, and that's the only app I still had $6 for 2 versus 5. Did Nature Valley and the Kodak twice on my account. You only see 3 Choke Bonnies because I just split 1 between the 2 that I did yesterday, which was the Nature Valley and the Kodak. I was just like, I know they probably want you to eat 1 cup per flavor of granola, but I just didn't think that it was necessary, so I only split 1 between the 2. And I'll do that with the other one later today. Merryfield and Fetch, the Barella, scanned perfectly fine. I'm thinking I probably should have did the Clorox again because that's a really good deal. Again, something that we don't have in our stockpile right now. And to get that for less than $1.50 each is not bad. It's cheaper than Great Value brand. It's cheaper than $1.25, $1.25, $1.75 more tree. And so I'm gonna definitely do that deal again. Glade worked out fine. It worked on checkout 51. It went through relatively fast too, because I noticed lately some of my receipts don't clear until like the next day, early morning, usually between like 2:30 and 4. Those went through pretty fast. It is still in review though on My Points and Bucks. Now with My Points, y'all know the conversion's a little different. Well, the conversion is the same, but the point value is the same as all of the other apps. So I won't even be doing any type of conversion for My Points anymore. It's just gonna be like those are 2, but I'm not gonna put 430 points equals 2 when 2 is 2. And so we're just gonna do that for My Points, which makes it easier anyway, I suppose. But My Points was always cool because you got a little bit extra. And so no more extra with My Points. I did the Colgate, the Maybelline Face, and the Maybelline Eye for Walmart Rewards and Ibotta. Again, the face were $1 got back $2, moneymaker each, and then the eyes were to get back $2, so make those both free. Other than that, y'all, this worked out really, really good. I didn't have a lot of receipts today, which is good. I'm probably gonna do the granola on Joseph. We'll probably do it on his account too, because I loves me some granola, especially the protein kind. Oh my, this one right, the Kodak one is really, really, they're both good. But if I had to choose, I'd probably choose the Kodiak one. But really, really good. Really excited about that. And so let me breeze through this really quick. All right. So everything you see here retails $84.20. I had $2.56. That was that OTC coupon, which brought the out of pocket down to $81.64. My sales tax was $3.93. And then getting back $44 from Flavor Wiki. Bucks was $13. I did cash out for Brand Club for $12.41. Ibotta was $9.25. Checkout 51 is $6.40. PayPal was $6.36. Merryfield was $5.48. Merryfield, I'm like $2 away from cashing out, so I cannot wait. Fetch Reward was $1.60. Getting back a total of $98.50 back makes everything you see here for $16.86 in moneymaker, which is really awesome, considering it's not a huge haul. But to get a lot of the things that we need, we eat, we use, and then make a little bit of money on the side is just awesome. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Emoji, Josiah wanted me to think of one. Since he starts school in 2 weeks, let's see some stationery, books, pencils, pens in the comments. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.